Alright, last video diary. We were talking about the ecological impact of Christmas, and which one of the changes we'd be willing to implement to lessen that. It's kind of funny. I don't know of any of the changes I can really implement because I don't really get into the Christmas spirit celebration. So this year already, I have really been encouraging my family to not do gifts this year or do like a single gift or a family gift. Um, for one, I think the wife and I are trying to save a little bit more money, and we find that a little bit ridiculous when you get overboard with Christmas gifts. We are not traveling anywhere, so we won't be driving a lot over the Christmas holiday. So that's another way we can save money and lessen the impact. I usually don't decorate the outside of my house. I found an old plastic tree in the attic that still looks halfway decent. So we don't buy Christmas trees. If we did, I would buy fresh, but I actually couldn't find anywhere to buy fresh around here in Oklahoma, which was a little bit upsetting. I would prefer fresh because I really like the smell of a cut pine tree. Um, but yeah, so already I think my wife and I do a pretty good job of lessening our ecological impact, and every year I try a little bit harder to lessen it a little bit more. I think the overspending and overuse and the trash waste that comes from Christmas is absolutely ridiculous, and America should be ashamed of itself for the waste that we do. So, yeah, and the food. One thing we do, I forgot to mention, was my wife will usually take the majority of the leftovers and make like a stew out of it, a soup, so that we continue to eat the leftovers and get a little bit of a taste variation out of it, and so we don't waste as much food either. But yeah, that's what we do.